Hey, welcome back to 24 Rooter. Today this is kind of a continuation video from the other one that we did about how to locate a tank with the camera. If you haven't seen that, we'll put it in the description below. So now that we found, made the locate, now we're back the second day to go ahead and try to dig up the tank and find where on earth it is so that we can pump it out and go from there. So stick with us and we'll get on that next.
Yeah.
And the hole on the same
Yep.
side.
I'll come up close here. Close the vertical.
Watch your head. Okay, so here we have it. We've dug all over this place to try to find the darn tank because our locator yesterday was so deep it was giving mixed signals, but we knew that we were in the ballpark area. So we found the lid. The tank is about 6 feet deep, and it's got an old metal barrel, oil barrel that they used for a riser, and it just kind of rotted out. So we found it. So I guess that's about all we have for today. So thanks for sticking around, and see you on the next one. Have a good one.